The law of attraction is a belief and philosophy that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into your life. By focusing on positive thoughts and feelings, you can attract positive outcomes and abundance into your life. This abundance meditation is a practice that aligns with the principles of the law of attraction. This helps cultivate feelings of abundance, prosperity, and well-being. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for the duration of this meditation. Start by setting a clear intention for your meditation session. A suggestion could be something like, I am attracting abundance and prosperity into my life. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Begin to visualize yourself surrounded by abundance. Imagine that you have everything you desire in life: financial prosperity, fulfilling relationships, good health, success in your endeavors, and overall happiness. Feel the emotions of gratitude, joy, and contentment as you visualize these scenarios. Repeat the following affirmations aloud or in your mind. I am worthy of abundance. I attract abundance effortlessly. I am open to receiving all the abundance the universe has to offer. Express gratitude in your mind for the abundance that already exists in your life. Acknowledge the things you are grateful for, whether big or small, as gratitude is a powerful force in attracting more positive experiences. Let go of any limiting beliefs, doubts, or fears that may be blocking the flow of abundance. Replace them with positive beliefs and confidence in your ability to manifest abundance. Make a commitment to yourself to maintain the feeling of abundance and prosperity even when you end this meditation. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day and try to remain open to receiving abundance in various forms. You see, the law of attraction is a belief system, and its effectiveness is based upon how much you believe. So stay positive and you will receive. Take a deep breath and open your eyes. And remember to carry this feeling of gratitude and abundance with you throughout your day, and repeat this meditation daily for maximum effect. Love, blessings, and abundance, of course, to you always.